Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your mobile data isn't working on your Motorola Razr Fold. So first of all, swipe down the control center and enable the airplane mode for a couple of seconds. This will disable all your networks, except for maybe with the Bluetooth if it's active. Then disable the airplane mode and let your device re-establish the mobile data connection. Check if this helps, and if it doesn't, go to Network and Internet on your smartphone, then select SIMs and Mobile Networks. Now select your SIM card. Now first of all, let's find the access point names and let's reset them by tapping the three-dot icon in the top right corner and selecting Reset to Default. This will reset your APN settings. I'll let your device reestablish the mobile data connection. And if you still have no mobile data, then you have to lock your device and remove the SIM card from your smartphone. Make sure that it's properly inserted and then reinsert it once again. So to remove the SIM card from your smartphone, you have to grab yourself a pin tool like this that comes with your smartphone. Insert it carefully into the pinhole of your SIM card tray and carefully push it inside. This will let you remove the SIM card tray from your smartphone. Now make sure that your SIM card is inserted this way, and additionally check whether it sits sturdily here. Make sure that it doesn't fall off, and also check your contacts on the other side. If you can see that your contacts are blurry or muddy, you can use a piece of a microfiber cloth to carefully wipe them. You can also slightly dip your microfiber cloth into the isopropyl alcohol if you can see that they are really dirty. But then you're gonna have to also dry wipe the SIM card. Okay, and when you see that your contacts are clean and smooth, reinsert your SIM card into the SIM card slot, then reinsert it into your smartphone and restart it. Make sure that you insert it the right side up. To restart your smartphone, press power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart on your screen. And after that, your issue should be gone. And if it's not, as a last resort, go to settings, then scroll down to system settings, and here go to reset options, select reset mobile network settings and confirm. Enter your password and tap enter. After the network settings are reset, wait until the connection is reestablished and you should have mobile data access on your smartphone again. But if you do not have it, then at this point you should definitely contact your carrier to verify your data plan and whether your SIM card is active.